Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check your Chase credit card balance. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video, very simple and straightforward process, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Very simple steps. The first step, of course, is to sign into your Chase online account. Or you could also sign into your Chase mobile account on the mobile app, or you can use your computer to sign into the website. Now once you're signed in, you just want to click on credit cards, and then you're going to select the credit card that you want to check the balance for. And then once you find that from the list of available credit cards that you have, just click on account balance, and that's going to show you the current balance. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to check your Chase credit card balance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.